The morning assembly is one of the most important part of the school curriculum, and a good assembly should comprise of different activities. In our school, the assembly begins at 8:30 in the morning. Prior to the assembly, every day a class is assigned cleaning of the school campus. And as we begin the assembly, it starts with the prayers in all different languages. We have Buddhist prayers. We also conduct prayers in Hindi and English. Then we have exercise for a short period of time. Then students deliver the morning thought. There's the GK, and also students read out the news. So in a week, Monday and Tuesday, it is conducted in English language. On Wednesday, we emphasize on the school assembly to be conducted in our regional language or our mother tongue, Mompa or Tibetan. So whichever the students find comfortable, they conduct the assembly in that. I think that also highlights a very important part of the national education policy of use of regional language. So that is done on Wednesday, and other days of the week the assembly is conducted in Hindi. Then it is followed up by Mompa anthem also, and then lastly ends with the national anthem. So the Mompa anthem talks about the importance of understanding one's culture and one's identity, and obviously followed by the national anthem, which talks about integration and the feeling of brotherhood and oneness. So assembly as a whole, it comprises of all these activities that not just enables a student, it is something different from the regular classroom teaching. So they have a lot of things to learn, and also enables to participate and be active. And like I have mentioned before, to set the tone of the day and to have a very fruitful learning process. And I think that is why a good assembly is very much needed.
स्कूल असेंबली हम लोग को ओवरऑल एक्टिविटी या करिकुलम में डेवलप होने के लिए मदद करते हैं। जैसे कि अगर स्टेज में आके कुछ बोल रहा होने से वो हम लोग का एक कॉन्फिडेंस एंड एक एनकरेज स्टूडेंट बनाते। पीपी एक्सरसाइज से हम लोग का हेल्थ इम्प्रूव करते और एक सेंस ऑफ लीडरशिप एंड सेंस ऑफ लीडरशिप एंड टीम वर्क प्रोवाइड करते। तो लास्टली मैं यही कहना चाहूँगी कि स्कूल असेंबली एक ऐसा चीज़ है जिससे हम लोग बहुत कुछ सीख सकते हैं। लाइन में खड़ा होना ही एक स्कूल असेंबली नहीं है, बल्कि असेंबली में कुछ बोलना, उससे कुछ सीखना, यही हम लोग स्कूल असेंबली से बहुत कुछ बेनिफिट हो सकते हैं। थैंक यू।